In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for project management. Are you ready to take your project planning skills up a notch? Well, let's dive right in. Start by navigating to Google Calendar in your web browser. Once you're there, you're going to want to click on the Create button, which is usually located on the left side of your screen. This is your gateway to scheduling all your important tasks, making sure nothing slips through the cracks. Next, you'll want to click on Task. This option allows you to create a detailed task list linked directly to your calendar. It's like having a digital to-do list right at your fingertips, integrated seamlessly with your schedule. When you create your task, be sure to give it a name. Preferably, you should name it after your project, so it's easily identifiable at a glance. This helps keep your calendar organized and your projects well labeled. Now let's set the date for your task. Click on the date field and select your desired start date from the calendar view. This visual representation makes it easy to see your entire month at once, ensuring you pick the right day. Next, decide on the time. Whether it's an all-day task or an hour-long meeting, Google Calendar gives you the flexibility to schedule tasks according to your precise needs. If your task spans the entire day or multiple days, consider setting it as an all-day event. This way, you won't miss any overlapping engagements. It's also useful to add a description to your task. This is where you can jot down any key details or notes that will help you remember exactly what needs to be done. Maybe you need to prepare specific documents or meet certain deliverables. Add everything you need right here. Once you've filled in all these elements, don't forget to save. Clicking the Save button is essential to ensure your task is locked in and waiting for you to action it. After saving, take a look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the task icon. This icon serves as your control center for reviewing and managing tasks. After clicking it, you'll see all your tasks displayed conveniently. If you want to make modifications or add more details, click on the three dots for additional options. Here, you can add subtasks, a useful feature if your project involves multiple smaller activities. Type in a description for each subtask, ensuring you capture all necessary components of your work. Lastly, if you've completed a task, Google Calendar gives you the satisfaction of marking it as completed. Click on the circle next to the task to check it off. It's a small action that provides a big sense of accomplishment, making sure you stay motivated and productive. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to manage projects using Google Calendar. Happy scheduling!